Hello, my name is Phil Rennert, and welcome to Getting Started with Machine Learning in R by Packt Publishing. I'm an information scientist with 25 years experience working in machine learning. In this course, I'll give you an overview of machine learning, then we'll take a classic data set and process it from end to end in R. Machine learning is a vast and expanding field with many applications. More than we can possibly cover here, but this will give you some idea. In this course, first, I'll discuss different areas of machine learning and go into detail on some important algorithms. Then we'll look at a classic disease data set, which we'll process from end to end. This includes getting the data, loading it into R, sanity checking it, and cleaning it. Then we'll run a couple of statistical regression algorithms on it as a baseline. After that, we'll run two useful machine learning algorithms on our data. First, decision trees and their generalization, random forests, then naive Bayes. I'll also discuss ensemble methods, how to combine the results of different algorithms to improve performance. Then I'll talk about how to present graphical information effectively, and we'll use R's graphical tools to present our results. All the R commands and code I use will be provided for you to use and modify for your own needs. After that, you'll get a chance to try out what you've learned on a new data set. This course is for aspiring data scientists who are familiar with the basics of the R language and have a basic knowledge of statistics. You are not expected to have any knowledge of machine learning techniques. From this first course, I hope you'll take away some familiarity with the process of machine learning and a few effective techniques in R. You'll have the experience of taking in a set of data, extracting what it has to tell you, and presenting what you've learned to tell a clear story. I hope this will be a foundation you'll build on as you go on to use and enjoy these powerful techniques for extracting information from data and using it.